Okay, so let's start now. My assigned topic is the 20th century music and beyond, from 1901 to 2000. Old old music, no? Sige. Um, and in this era po, no, is very important in music history because it introduced the new the new musical ideas, technologies, and the genres that still influence the music we listen today. Unlike in the earlier periods, like the classical, like the romantic periods, the music in the 20th century became more experimental. No? Musician and the composer started exploring new sounds, instrument, and style. It means more and experimental yung pag-discover, no, ng kanilang different music, no, ng kanilang mga different discoveries. So, yun. And by the end of this discussion, you should be able to understand the characteristic, identify the common musical genre, recognize some famous composers or the performers, understand how the technology influence and modern music. Okay, so next slide. Now let's move in the next slide now in the music of the 20th century, which covered the years of 1901 to 2000 and even beyond. This period is very important in music history because it introduced many new ideas, styles, and technologies. During the 20th century, music became more experimental, nagingon ako, no? And also experimental siya and adventurous, no? Adventurous din. Adventurous. Unlike in earlier periods such as classical, romantic era where composers followed the strict musical rules, musicians in this period started to explore new sounds and creative techniques. And another important characteristic of this period is that were no fixed rules on how the social tones should relate to each other. Because of this freedom, composers were able to experiment with different harmonies, rhythms, and musical structures. And the composer also began creating music in the independent from traditional styles. Instead of strictly following the classical traditions, they started to develop new genre and modern forms of music that reflected the culture and society of their time. Kita ninyo class no in our kuan in the 20th century, di ba? Wala na nagapalo og strictly rules in kuan in music. Ay na may strict rules in music from 19th century dra adapita. In the 20th century class is natin ginatawag og freestyle ba. No. Uban gani sa gulat no graph. Graph sila then after that is kanta. No? Simple lang. So ano ba? Freestyle siya ba? So, yun. Wala siya nag-follow strictly rules. From the 1950s, no, ika-fourth nga bullet, no, to present every decade or each decade develop its own unique musical identity. For example, in the 1950s, introduced the rock and roll. Dahil nag-start rock and roll. And in the 1970s, popularized the disco and funk. And later on, the decade saw the rise of hip-hop, electronic music, and many other genres. Yung mga lulo sa unang panahon, 1950s, na yung mga baile. Diba? Mga bailihan. Pag abot ng 1980s, 1980s, no, yung sikat ng disco. Diba? Sa kasikat sa disco, nasarado ang Mr. Bones. No? Okay, bitaw. So, yan ang siya class ba? Nanay electric, no? And hip-hop dance. Napasikat na sila kwan, mga hip hop dancer si sa gito. Katong kalimot ko ba eh. Yes, later on ako itong ipakita sa inyo ha. And because of these changes, the music genre became more diverse and relatable to the public. And music was no longer limited to the concert halls, mga function hall, na it became it became part of everyday life and in the popular culture. And another major change is that artists and performers gain more attention than composer. In earlier periods, composers were the main focus, but in the modern musical as now, performers or singers became the center of the popularity. So nakita niyo plus nung maingon tawag kwan, composer, no. Ila, kinsay nag-compose sa 214 kanta. Mutana ko sa inyo, si kinsa man. Hala, nakalimot mo? 214. Oh, Rico Blanco, di ba siya ang main composer. Pero kinsa man ni sikat? Oh, si Bambu. Di ba? Oh, mas nasikat ang singer kaysa composer. So nowadays, no. So sa in the 90s, 1920, 90th century plus, no, sa mga 1901 to 1950s, 1960s, ang sikat jud tas dili kayo ang singer. No, wala sa matter sa kon. Ginamatter nila ang content, no? Ang composer mismo. So nga na siya, no. So sabtan, no. Additionally, the full symphonic orchestras became less common in popular music. Instead, the smaller bands, solo performers, mga electronic instrument became more widely used. Finally, the development of the digital music and the technology greatly influenced the music production. With the help of the computers, with the help of the recording software or digital instrument, the music became easier to create, editing, and distribute. So, kato siya. And that's the content, no, in the second slide. Next slide. Okay. Discuss. Okay. So, let's discuss now the characteristic of music in the 20th century. And the first characteristic is the consonants. Consonants. The consonants class, no, refers to the use of stable and pleasant sounding chords. And these are combination of musical notes that sound harmonious and comfortable to the ears. And pag dissonance naman, the unlike the consonants, ang kaning dissonance to student is nagaproduce siya og unstable or thin sounds, very thin na sounds, no. In the 20th century, the composer began using dissonance more freely. Before, dissonance was usually resolved into consonants, but in modern music, it sometimes stands alone as important musical expression. Another characteristic is the use of new chords. The composer started exploring more complex chords such as natin mga 7th, 9th, 11th, or 13th chords. These chords added richer and more colorful sounds to the music composition. And we also have the compound matters now. The compound matters refers to the rhythm that combines different time signatures. Because of this, the rhythm in the 20th century music became more varied and sometimes more complex compared to the traditional music. And the another feature is the changing of clips and meters from time to time. This means the composers frequently shifting, musical notation, rhythmic structure to create variety and maintain musical interest. And finally, many pieces in this period have simple yet unpredictable or catchy melodies. Obserbaran ninyo, no, sa mga kanta karon nga sa hinay, tawag na paspas na po, pinaspasay na po. So na yung mga changes in the chords ba. So yan na kakon karon ang mga unpredictable or catchy tunes, no, in the music. Okay. And overall, no, in the 20th century, the characteristic is very kanang experimentation, na ay mga new harmonic structures, creative rhythmic patterns that make it different from earlier musical periods. Okay, sige. Next, terminologies. Um, saan mo ko banda? Ala. Ah, meron po tayong mga different terminologies dito, no? The jazz, the rhythm and blues, musical, rock music, reggae, and love song. Involved ng reggae. No? First is jazz, no? Jazz is a type of music that is strongly connected with improvisation, which means the musician often create modified melodies while performing. It also characterized by syncopated rhythms, meaning the beat is sometimes unexpected or off to the regular pattern. And jazz also has a steady beat and unique tone color which make it very expressive and distinctive. Okay. And another one naman, the rhythm and blues, no, commonly known as R&B. No. This type of music originated among the African American communities that combines elements of blues, jazz, and gospel music. And it is often energetic and was originally popular as dance music. Kaya ko ano yung mga terminologies nila. So muna i-discuss na to ang ilang mga definitions. And another term is the musical, no? And the musical is theatrical performance that combines acting, spoken dialogue, music, singing, and dancing. So nakita niyo na ano kanang gina-perform ni kuan kanang sa theater ba? Sa ito si katong singer sa Pilipinas. Itong sikat kayo. Yes, Lia Salonga, no? Mana, pang theatrical ang iyahang kuan. Mana yung musical. Theatrical. Pang Disney kayo ang kuan katingan. Pang theater, no? Musical. So yun, no? In addition, the musical often includes costumes, mga scenery, and stage effects to tell a story. And many famous stage performance and movies today are musicals. Next naman is rock music. Rock, no? Ganahan kayo mo ng mga rock, no? So, rock music is known for its strong and driving beat, no? And it usually features electric guitar, drums, amplified sound, no? Rock became more extremely popular in the mid 20th century and influenced many modern music genre. So, di ba? Pero Sweet Child of Mine, no? Mga very rocky performance kayo. No? Hard. Napon tayong mga metal, no? Mga hard metal, nakakon mo na, nakadungog mo na. Mga metallic ba? Hard metal, no? So, ganun ko na. Mura ka ng pangisog na ba, no? Mura ka ng mamaak ba? So, mga hard metal, no? Rock music, pero very hard na siya. Rock. And the reggae music naman, no? Isa itong father of reggae, gani. Si Bob Almagro, si Bob Marley, father of reggae. So, yan, no? And the reggae naman is originated in Jamaica. Known for strongly accented rhythm and relaxed musical music feelings. It became more globally popular and influenced many other music styles. I love reggae. Reggae class. Even mag-travel, no, nagapa-music ko reggae music. Okay. Relaxing, calm na. Pangit mo magbiyahe kayo, rocky kayo, hard metal, pangit man. So, okay na yung reggae. And the love song naman, kaya mo na mga love song. A love song is musical or poetic expression that focus on romantic feelings, emotions, and many songs across different genre fall into this category because love is a common theme in music. So, yan, no, na mga love song music. Okay. Ako mga love song na medyo emotional, no, di ba? Kana. Next naman is electric music and the digital music. For the electric music, it refers to the music that involves electronic processing, such as recording, editing, and amplification. Like. This means that the sound is enhanced or modified using electronic equipment like mga microphone, amplifier, and loudspeaker. And because of the technology, music could be played louder and shared with larger audiences. Next naman is digital music. No? Even in mga electric music, ano yun, pwede ka uh, sigara na kung yun mga nata involves microphone, amplifiers, and loudspeaker. On digital music naman, no, it involves the recorded or converted into digital format. Ano man, this allows music to be stored in computers, mobile devices, or online platforms. And the digital technology made music production, editing, and distribution much easier compared to the traditional recording methods. 'Di ba? Mga digital music, even gani ang mga piano no na nasa digital no na naka-digital music. Yan naman plus mas much easier siya no and of course kuan pod siya kanang ginatawag nito convenient. 'Di ba convenient kaya alam dala ka guitar no. Ang ban gani ang drum 'di ba sa cellphone na lang mag-drum. At ang drum magdala pa mga drum no kung kato yung set nga drum medyo duha jud ka tawo maginalsahay sa mga drum. Ang uban na lang kasi gamitan na lang digital no drum. Ana. So yan no. And it is the terminologies po. And the musical instrument naman, let's us move no into the number 3 musical instrument that became more widely used in modern music. And the first instrument is the saxophone. The saxophone is a member of brass family of instrument, but it is used as a single red mouthpiece, no, similar to the clarinet. It produces a smooth, expressive sound, and it's commonly used in jazz and dance music. And the second instrument naman is the electric guitar, no. Has built-in pickups that convert the vibration of the string into electrical signals. These signals are then gina-amplified siya through speaker to produce a louder sound. Kanindot man gud electric guitar di mo under no wala pa kuryente no. So kaning electric guitar class no, mas ang kanindot mo gud ani ma-amplified niya ang sounds and mas mo louder siya. That is why kanang mga giingon nato og mga rock music na adyo na electric guitar. Kaya kung normal guitar lang mo pangit mo kayo. So gamitan siya electric guitar para mas much louder siya ba. So the electric guitar became one of the most important instrument in the genre such as rock music, kanang mga pop music or jazz. Overall, the departments of electric and digital technology greatly influenced music in the 20th century. Next slide. Okay, so another one, the synthesizer, no? The synthesizer in electronic music instrument that generates audio signals unlike the traditional instruments such as piano or guitar. The synthesizer creates sounds electrically. Because of this, musician can produce a wide variety of sounds including tones that imitate other instruments or completely new sounds that did not exist before. So, kaning mga synthesizer class, ginagamit ni siya become more popular in the pop music, electronic music, and film soundtracks. Ano man, because it allowed to the musician to experiment with the different sound effects and musical styles. Ano po tayo ginatawag mga digitally generated sounds. Di ba kabantay mo anang kuhan kanang mga ata ginatawag og dahil lang ayaw ko sign. Alam mo na
sa community outreach naman sir. Tuloy nga lang.
Community outreach.
So mag-ask po ba sa residents? Sa
Ano na yung atak si Sir Busana eh? Ako tong kan, ako tong atong mayroon to. Ay, ako rin eh.
Chat lang, sir.
Kailan ka Sir Busana? Close mo?
Wala lang.
Hindi mo close.
Wala ka na.
Chat din daw.
Okay, sir.
Thank you sa kato naman, epic.
Okay na, sir.
Pag gumana to og kuan, pag gumana to spray do. Ayo, drill man no, spray na sa dito. Gumana to, kais na ko sila. Then mag-snack nila. Kamo na pud itong insert mo itong ingano niya. Insert mo to pag man, tantawd na to. Dali naman to inyo no. Paano yung tamag? Hatag tag awards.
Kami kami ata pwede na sila man sila man nakahulog na to sila man sa
Pwede na po pungutan na to.
Sagot nila. Tapos sagot nila sila
Pero
dili ka
pwede na.
kasi sa chat lang nila. Salamat, sir.
Okay, so very important ang digital generated sounds. Kamatay mo ng mga kuwan. Ngayon, pag mga big event, mga intramurals, night, di ba? Natagin na tawag po doon ka ng mga sa search, di ba? Mga anak, mga Mr. and Mrs. Mr. and Miss kuwan, no? Intramurals, di ba? Nang anak. So, na-digital generated sounds, Chris, no? Kaya naman, naka-recorded nga music daan ba? And automatically, kung naay mga adlib, ipa-play na nila. Na kung ma-standby man gamay, so ipa-play na nila. So, ano, ikubalo na. Pero muna na siya, no? Muna yung works dira. Okay, next naman, the famous composers and personalities. Tama din, no? Music ba na ato ang topic? So, dapat na mo output. Music. Sige lang, mag-una-una ko, no? Ako ang gusto, no? Pakantahon ta mo, no? Isa-isa. So, i-post ninyo sa social media, no? Magkanta mo. So, dapat na likes. 1,000 likes. Para daghan mo tanaw, no? Kasi ma-famous ka. Diba? Pwede, no? Choy dance with kanta. Kanta po ka, choy dance po ka. Pwede na po kayo. Tambling-tambling ka. Katong choy dance nga na yung mga lifting-lifting, ha? Okay. So, okay man si Andoho yan, no? Itong last time ni ingon mo siya nga, sir, magpakwanta, sir, music, no? Kanta-kanta tayo siya. Okay. Sige. Next. Famous composer and personalities, no? Okay. So, sana yung kailanin, no? So, kanina, famous na sila. Panahon, pumaysa. Lulo, ulo, ay. Okay. So, Claudie, sanay. So, pronounce na yun. Debussy, sorry. Okay, basta mo na, Debussy, siguro na, no? So, Claude Debussy, no, won the Prix de Rome, a piano teacher, and his famous work, Clair de Lune, sa man composed 1890, published in 1905. How din yan, no? Piano man. And Leonard Bernstein, a conductor, pianist, author, lecturer, composer of orchestral works, and his notable work, West Side Story, so 1950s. So, makita niya plus ka na in the earliest 90th century plus, no? Ang sikat mangod kayo sa una is mga orchestra. So, kung nag-involve sa orchestra, kung pianista ka dira, no? So, mga gamit pa itong mga brass instrument, so medyo well known ka, no? Also, if may mo po kang coach, trainer, no? Lecturer, no? Kana, establish yung pangalan. So, sir, sa may naibala ni mo, sir, no? About music? Wala. Isag, magkapahapak na lang kong drum, no? Di yun mo, bukan, tugma sa beat, no? Wala yung talent, mga drum. Usually, no, ang uban, no, ma-develop, no, kung ay uban, no, di ba, kanang na yung mga simbahan, active kayo sa kanang mga music. So, ang uban gina-train, di ba? So, okay na siya, no? Ginagi ko na anong Mga bata hawd kay mag-drum kay natun-an nila dito sa simbahan. So okay kayo no. Yan. Next naman, the Beatles, the most famous English band of the 60s and popularized the hit song Hey Jude. So, the Beatles. So, nakadungog ko, pero nakalimot ko. So, kanina akong loadie, no? Si Michael Jackson Almagro. So, the most internationally known artist of all time. Nakakabig katawaan, no? Yabay. So, multi-talented, no? Diba? Singer and dancer. It's one of the greatest hits, the Billie Jean. So, grabe no, si Michael Jackson. Si Almagro, wala na. Michael, pa siya, Michael Jackson. Jackson, how ko, ana? Pero wala yung kuhan, yung Michael Jackson. How ko siya na itong, so ito, yung sikat nga dance class. So ito, katong maragkuhan, patalik. Oh, moonwalk, no? So, moonwalk. Isa na sa mga kuhan. Aside sa kaning, di ba kanina si Michael Jackson is black ko na siya? Black beauty, no? Murag, kadugaya na yan, murag, oh. Na siya sakit. Kasi nagpa-inject ni siya kuhan. So, puti na siya na sakit. O, dili niya na yung ilong. Mag-retoke na yung ilong. Kaya itong, nakita na ko sa yung first nga gikanta-kanta niya sa unang mag hindi man siya taas yung ilong, diba? So, normal lang. So, more in retoke na din si Michael Jackson. And, so man. Katong nakanta sa Queen. Queen ba to? Diba sikat mo kayo to? Rhapsody mo siguro to? Sige to? Oh, di ba? Oh, baby, Rhapsody no. Kanang murag nakatanaw ko na sa video niya katong murag naam to siya ihimo ko niya video no. So lalaki din na siya no, nahimong nahimong LGBT. Dugi na nahimong LGBT. Na. So, di ba? Ludi kay siya no sa kanta, di ba? Kung taas kanta no. Bohemian Rhapsody. Nakakanta ko na, nakanta ko na siya sa video. Okay? Pero wala di na ko makaya no. Taas kayo. Yung mga ludi po na. Okay. Next naman, the Dying to Dead musical genre. Ayaw, no? Dying to Dead. Puro mga adik siguro na Dying to Dead man. Okay. So, in this part, they become, Dying to Dead. Musical genre. During the 20th century, music became a major form of entertainment and public enjoyment. In fact, more than 30 musical genres were developed during this time. These genres were classified based on the popularity and musical instruments. Now, according to the popularity, musical genre are divided into categories. So, natay duha ka categories sa music, kaning popularity and musical elements. So, ang una is sustaining genre and dying genre. No? So, the first we have the sustaining genre. No? These are the genre that continued to remain popular and influential even in the 21st century. This means that people still listen to them and they continue to inspire modern music. And kaning dying genre naman kaso, these are genres that reached their peak during 20th century, but gradually declined over time. Eventually, they were replaced by new core styles or of music that matched the changing taste of the audience. Pasabot yan ang sustaining genre and dying genre plus. Natay mga kind of music plus is nagkahinay na siya o hindi na kisikat ba? Kanang mga dying genre no. And the sustaining genre naman continue to remain popular. So unsa may nakita niyo mga continue to remain popular? One, Air Supply. Kita niyo mga Air Supply no? Continue gyapon no. So na po yung mga 20th century nga hinahinay po kawala unsa man katong Gangnam Style. Di ba? Kaisa ra man to na sikat tong Gangnam Style. Di ba? Karon wala na siya ginapa music. Unsa pa ang naibalaan niya? Dying genre in the 20th century. Ala. Kung daghan man no, daghan. Magdi lang na to mako ng isa-isahan. So, yan no. Depende muna class no sa kwan. Depende yun na siya. Depende yun na. Kanay na may mga music na sikat gyapon. Di ba even sa kanang one day, rock nga music nga Sweet Child of Mine. Murag karon sikat man. No, mga Air Supply, karaan man pero sikat Wa may apon fan. No, so yun. Depende yun na sa taste sa tao. Preferences sa mga tao. So next naman is the soft music and the hard music. No? So next soft music. So as the name suggests, no, so the soft music is gentle, no? Smooth, relaxing, and pleasant to listen. And it usually creates calm and soothing atmosphere. In terms of musical elements, such music often features melodic harmony, moderate rhythm, meaning it's not too fast or too loud. Some example of soft music is jazz swing, musical theater, folk music, country music, opera, or bluegrass music. This genre are commonly used to relaxation, storytelling, or emotional expression. So, nako'y masuggest inyo, dili man jud ko expert sa mga kanta-kanta, no? Kung unsa gud ang inyong genre gud guys. Kung ang genre nimo more in rock, hagto sa mga rock ng kanta. So focus lang ka dira, no? Mga hard metal ka dira lang ka focus. Kung imo mo gud nang pasukan ang mga soft music ko. Nay something wrong ana. Murag dili makibagay ang kan o dili makibagay imong tingog ba dito sa kanta. So kung saan yung mga genre, kung more in soft music, dito lang ka. No? And, na may uban sa tuwagod, sa mga gunit, ng microphone, wala yun. Di na yun mailog. No, nga na yun ng mga Pinoy, mga gunit, ng microphone, wala na yun, hindi na yun mailog. Hangtod gabi na magkinantahay, no? Bisag pagaw-pagaw na mo, kanta, yapon. Labi, nagigibatoon lagi. So, nga na ba mo? No, ngunit ang microphone, wala yun, no? Iyahan na yun. And the hard music naman, this type of music is stronger, louder, more intense. It is designed to create energy, excitement among listener. Hard music is usually characterized by powerful rhythms, amplified instrument, energetic performance. So, ang example na rock, hard rock, progressive rock, heavy metal, death metal, funk, no, mga funk. This genre are often associated with strong beats, high energy, and it's important to note that many of these genre have evolved over time. Mga maingon taog kuan, katong mga soft music, maingon taog buko by Jaira Almagro day, Jaira Ling. Diba na example na sa mga soft music. Diba? Saan ang buko gani? Buhay ko. Diba? Sa kanang klase soft music. Hard music, kana mga metal, no, rock, hard rock, progressive rock, heavy metal, death metal. Kana makaka-create siya energy ba? Makaka-create siya intense, no? Louder, mas louder niya siya. Next naman. Ito yung mga karon, no, mga dying music karon no. So rock, apil lang yung rock like, dying musical genre daw, jazz, musical theater. Umuto ko na yung musical theater, no, naman nagkawala ang musical theater because medyo mahal mo siya. No, kailangan pagka mag-entrance fee para makakita ka sa theater, no. So dying na siya. Folk music. No, murag ginagamit ang folk music kung mag-PE. PE performance na may folk music, di ba? Heavy metal, no? Country music, funk. Country music apel dahil na country music. Funk, swing music, opera, bluegrass music, death metal, hard rock, and progressive rock. Sa sikat, no? Mga soft music, mga karon gud kay mga soft na mga kayo mga tao karon, no? Umok na kayo ba? And the music developed in the United States of America in the 30s and 40s na involved jazz, musical theater, folk music, country music, bluegrass, no, and funk. So kaning jazz known for its unique musical elements. Before it was very popular in social gatherings and dancehall, but today it's more appreciated in the specific audiences rather than the mainstream listeners. So that is why dahil musical genre na mo ang jazz. And the musical theater naman no, atong gina-perform good, gina-acting, gina-singing, dancing along with costumes on stage. While it is present today, it is not dominant in the popular music compared to modern genre like pop or hip hop. Mas sikat mo gud ang kwan, mga pop music and hip hop music. That is why kanang musical theater is dili na kay siya kanang kwan, kanang makainggan niyo og kwan, no. Kanang ginakuan, mangutanay ko sa kanang mga BTS, unsa na ilang mga kanana? Pop na na. Pop music ba na mga BTS, sana mga Blackpink kana di ba? Something pop music di ba? So mas sikat siya nowadays kaysa kuan sa kanang mga musical theater. And the folk music naman, no, di ba? Pinakasikat na tong mga music, mga karanyosa, di ba? So, appear na siya sa daing musical genre. It is a type of music that involves the daily activities of local folk or individual. So, naga-folk music na lang ta class, no, kung naay something equal good, i-comply. Pero kung wala tayo i-comply, murag something wala na po, ignore na lang siya. And the country music naman, no, is a composition that intended for acoustic guitar, vocals which concentrates on cowboy, countryside, or inspiration. The bluegrass music has the element of country and western style that often use acoustic string instrument like guitar, banjo, and etc. And the funk music naman, sikat niya siya sa 70s and 80s that link soul music to African and American folks. So, appeal siya sa mga dying musical genre. And the opera began to flourish during the Baroque period and Classical period music, characterized by singing and theatrical stage performance. Parang siya musical, parang siya kanang theatrical music, no. So performance pala, no. So opera, so appeal siya, no, sa mga. And for the hard music naman is harsh and loud. Sagaran mo sa rock music is you need to voice out, no. Kinang maximize yun yung voice, no. So it's a vocal music with hard, no, driving beat often featuring electric guitar, mga heavily, and also kanang it involves heavily amplified sound. Manang kung mag-rock music ka, hinay kay imong sounds, murag di kay mo feel. Dapat kusog jud imong sounds. And the hard rock naman is subgenre of rock music typically with heavy aggressive vocals, distorted electric guitars, keyboards, and drums. And the progressive, balik-balik naman na eh. In the 70s, no, which is characterized by classical influence that uses keyboard and electric guitar. Heavy metal is hardcore sounds. Hardcore yun. Hardcore. That is vocal aspect like shouting, like growling, with heavy drums and amplified sounds. Kanang masyagit good nga, something raw na, no. So yan na, no, heavy metal. And the death metal naman is style of melody that compositions of unpredictable time of signature. So yun, no. For our final part, no, let us look how the 20th century musical genre continues to influence the 21st century. Although some musical genre are considered dying, their disappearance did not happen suddenly. It was gradual lang siya nga process. Both music industry and the public began to adapt to newer modern style of music that fit to the current generation. Ang music mangod class is fitted na siya sa mga current generation. So sa mga mga generation, Gen Z ba mo? Tama ba, Gen Z? So kinsay makakuan sa inyo? Unsa ang kuan ninyo? Unsa preference niyo sa music? Sa inyo nga kuan sa inyong generation. Sa inyo kumuta na kay di mata mo ka level, no? Taas mo gamay sa inyong edad. Mas ganahan mo ko. Ha? Kasi hilig niyo. Batalyon. Ex-batalyon? Ano. So, pag maghilig mo pop, something pop music niyo ha. Paano lang sa inyo? Depende lang. So, kamo kung maglahi ang iyong gusto? Or mga pang BTS. O, sige, ito man, katong sila kwan, mga bago kayo, mga performers sa GMA, ano gud? No? So, lahi, no? Lahi dyan ang inyo, mag, di ko kasabay. Depende day. Depende. Okay. Ah, wala, akong gusto nyo is mga 90s music. Ano naman. Lahi mo niyo, magiging ko kasabay. Bago mo niyo mga gusto. Ganda naman tong Pizza Loud yung gusto dahil. Ang ganda naman sa ang ganahan kay katong sa Pizza Loud itong kuan. Tanduay, ano gud ba, mga inom tag tanduay. Aron sa iyo tama nga matay. Sana all. Okay, next naman. So, sa Pizza Loud class na ay mga music nga. Uy, tama day. Katong wala pagod mo nagkuan, wala pa mo react. Try na mo nag-invite ng Pizza Loud. No, karon gi academy dagi. Wala siya na dayon. Pero invite ito sa Pizza Loud re. Pero ang Pizza Loud mga class na something yung mga pangit. Kaya dili siya bagay sa mga tao nga kanang something close-minded. Medyo bastos naman siya. 'Di ba? Kabalo man mo na, 'di ba? So lain siya. Kung may mga kanta na sa Pizza Loud, i-search na ko. May mga kanta nila nga okay po, align po siya. Pero may mga kanta nila nga medyo lang. So bawal na to siya i-mention kay we are in the academy. Kung nato sa gawas, pwede. So, bawal din siya i-mention. Okay, next naman. Mana? Mana? Okay, so sumpayan na ako, no? However, the dying music na karon, no? This genre did not completely disappear. No? Many of them are now being revived into this music. And the younger generation are starting to appreciate the kind of music that their parents used to listen. For example, the modern genre like mga pop or K-pop often includes elements from older styles such as rhythm, melody, and performance techniques. Because of this, the influence of the 20th century music is still present today, and it continues to shape and inspire the music we hear in the 21st century. So even some genre are considered dying, their legacy and impact remain alive. And that concludes our presentation for today, folks. And thank you for listening. No? So ang kanta Mangot Glass, no, naiusahan